excited. Hi.
Really, thanks for the invitation.
Ladies,
Thank you for inviting me into
You're
here.
welcome.
ladies, can I take your wraps or jacket?
Yes.
Please. So excited. It's beautiful here.
Take my shoes.
Well, it's very nice here. If you would just like to go into the lounge and we'll bring you drinks and...
Mr. Egan.
I will be back, ladies, to
This place. Wow.
satisfy your
Oh, this is
libation
beautiful.
needs.
Where's the camera? It's amazing.
Where's the dog? Jesus, get the animal away from me. I'm allergic to dogs.
Welcome, the dog is here for your safety.
My safety.
My
Please,
safety is
Christ,
Please
My
respect
safety
the
is right.
dog.
My safety is
Where's
right.
your captain's hat?
I don't
Mr. Egan?
It's nice
Are
to
you
meet you.
welcome?
Please, can I take your... No, thank
Thanks
you.
for having
No,
me.
thank you. I can just no, thank you.
No, would you like me to take your wrap?
It's my wife over there.
Can I take your coat?
Oh, I love this jacket, you know. Be careful. I just got it from London on a ship.
Can you unbutton it? Sir, can I help you with that?
What happened to my flower? The dog probably ate it.
God, sir,
Are you gonna help me with it or aren't you?
why? I can't get it off your muscular body.
It's not
You could just no.
I could be if you
If
want
you
me
could just
to.
go into the lounge and
I didn't even see the steps there.
Lily.
No kidding. We're gonna let you out of the loony bin.
Oh, it's okay, Lily. It's okay. It's okay, Lily. Look at this hair.
Oh,
I'm
man.
Martha. Martha Washington.
Martha? Is there an R in that word?
Washington. Martha Johnson.
She probably thinks there is an R in the word.
Washington, she thought for
Don't-
Ladies and gentlemen, I
What are you
am.
Don't worry.
Excuse me, I hate to interrupt your fun times.
Well, hello.
But you're going to be so happy because we are going to provide you with a special drink of the house.
Can I get a Bud Light?
Sorry, you're going to
Mr. Egan, the food's burning.
Oh, okay. Let me give you
Is-
the drinks. Ladies, ladies,
you,
like
Mr.
chopped
Egan.
liver? I'll be right back.
I'm burning up.
He serves the ladies first.
Just enjoy
Oh,
yourself.
you should just
Welcome
take your
to
coat
the-
off. Nobody's
Mr.
gonna.
Egan, the beans.
Nobody's gonna mind
Oh, the
the
beans.
war wounds.
Whoever. What the hell is wrong with you, Jim?
I didn't put up hairspray in my hair tonight. It's all.
And maybe
really
Mr.
strange.
Egan can help you if you stop being so
I think
rude.
Mr. Egan's. He said I had a muscular frame when he was taking my jacket off.
You know, that might be a good idea. Keep him around close because I'm out of here soon.
Well, look at you look like a troll tonight. for
I
crying
think
out
they're
loud.
toxic. Where are you guys
Why
from?
don't you close your mouth for a fly flies in it?
Missouri. Where are you?
Martha, how is
Somebody
that
take
trap?
this coat for me.
How do y'all know Kate?
Hey, lady.
Hey,
Oh,
Oh,
thank
you're
you.
so
I'll
Kate's
tell you
my
how
friend?
we know.
Thank you, Miss
I don't have any
Egan.
How
friends.
did you manage to get on this guest list?
Thank you.
I'll tell you
Sir,
how we
I'm
know.
sure you'll enjoy
Lily,
it.
Lily, are you close to Miss
Jim?
Lily?
Jim, why don't you tell them how we know Kate?
Oh, I'm
You two
not.
friends.
I don't think it's a good idea if you don't like her.
And who are you? Did you introduce yourself?
Uncle Jim, is everything okay in there?
Are you the uncle?
Cheers to the queers.
Good luck.
Can we
You're gonna
move
ruin the
stop?
day, Jim.
Jesus Christ!
To eat.
That's not a Bud Light! Ah!
Yeah, my name is Sherry Winslow. I am not the, what did you call me, a pompous twat?
You pompous twat.
I don't think it was pompous.
Sherry, you have no
Jim, I gotta
class.
tell you
How do you know
Jake
Kate? How do you just
Class
shut up?
We never in
For a
class.
change.
How did
We
you
were in
wire
Paris.
it?
We were
Paris
on a
together.
trip
Nightclub
together
Saying
and we
What in
became.
your niece's
The
house?
VIP says,
These are
Not
my
You get those
friends.
shoes in
The kind of
Paris?
thing you want to be doing.
Oh,
Jim.
They stink.
They're the newest fashion.
You don't know
Jim, too
fashion.
long. Jim.
Look at you, for Christ's
And I
sake.
don't mean too long either.
Are you still talking over there?
Oh, she's talking about.
Kate!
Kate's relatives.
Really?
Yes?
Kate? Kate?
Poor kid.
Really? My sister should have aborted you when she had the chance. That's pretty heavy for me, isn't it?
It's quite heavy, Mr. Randall.
You're
know
quite
what?
heavy.
You're a nasty man. Where are you from?
I'm from Idaho, and let me just get this out of the way. This is Jim's favorite line. Go ahead.
from Ohio. But what difference does it make to you? You need a map to find it?
I might.
Martha,
Where is
help
it?
her. Martha.
I gotta tell you,
Where
that
is
drink kicks the pants off my ass.
Just a-
I thought you guys lived in Washington.
Kate, what do you know?
That's
I've
exactly
seen you this
Absolutely
big.
on my face and jump across this table.
You leave my friend alone.
Jump
You don't
across
have any
this
friends.
table. I'm gonna jump.
She's
Did you
not-
bring any potatoes with you?
Potatoes. Potatoes. Isn't it potatoes?
Her
Buckeyes.
hair looks like.
I thought you said you were from.
I'm from Ohio. I'm from Ohio.
His hair looks like a
Mr. Egan, I want a Bud Light.
You would.
Your hair looks like a burnt
I
potato.
want some buttheads.
The
Wow.
Buttheads.
I mean,
I think they're called
Jim.
buttheads.
You said butthead.
I'm coming in. Will everybody please calm down?
I'm here.
She should be. Oh, hi,
About
Kate.
time you got here.
Hi.
How are you?
It's so nice to see you again.
You're late, just like your mother was. That's how many. She was pregnant.
How do you know these people, and why would you put us together? Don't cry, Kate. Don't cry, because Lily's gonna cry.
Jim,
Don't cry, Kate. Thank you.
Jim,
I
Why
can't
would you
believe
invite
you're
them?
her uncle.
you can start believing.
Why would you invite them?
He just threw something at me.
Don't cry, Lily. Don't cry, Lily. It's fine.
Uncle Jim.
Don't cry
Hey,
for
Uncle
me,
Jim.
Argentina.
Uncle Jim. Who did that haircut?
What's
Disney
wrong?
Bear? What is your problem?
What is your name again?
Kate.
Kate.
Wild days.
We're in the wrong place.
Manson.
We're in the wrong place.
I'm
What
Argentina.
is his life? What
It's
is her
hard.
life right now?
Goes through my head like a nail.
Eve, what is your life right
Maybe
now?
we should eat now.
I think we all should.
Look at her.
I'm gonna go to the ladies' room and then I'll be.
Are we gonna eat tonight?
But I might. No, you can't leave her alone with these people.
That's a great idea. You should head out, Cherry.
All right.
Always.
I'll be nice if we can just get to the dinner,
Okay.
the dining room
Okay,
table and have
Can
some dinner.
everybody just follow
I'll
me to
do
the
you all a
dining
favor
room?
and leave right now.
We can.
Don't cry.
I'm gonna have to go to the ladies' room first.
Oh,
Look at the girl with the big bottom.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna follow her. You can sit right there, you control.
All through my wild days.
God, it's like an old dusty old mansion. This place.
I'm Argentina.
The vowel letter of her name is an A. Martha, not Martha.
You're the one that said Martha. Martha.
Mothra from Godzilla.
That was the 2 drinks before. Thank you, and that's why you're my friend and not them.
I'm impressed.
Woo!
Kate, you're in a different class.
Those drinks are a kick in the pants.
He just called me a
Teach
fool.
these people how to act. Like a-
I just
Oh my god, Uncle Jim.
I'm just having fun, Kate.
He's obnoxious, isn't he, ladies? And I don't live with him.
You married him.
I know it.
Wanna
What's wrong
meet
with
someone
you?
else next time?
Mr. Egan.
Quite
Mr.
certain.
Egan, can you bring out some ranch dressing as well?
How long did you cook?
Yes, madam.
And Uncle Jim didn't get his
dressing.
his salad.
Lily.
Can I get some mac and
Eve
cheese?
Randall.
I like ranch dressing also.
Eve.
Don't judge, lady.
Eve.
Kate and I would love to have ranch
Why,
dressing.
first of all, why are you ignoring me?
Because I don't know my name.
Second of all, how long did you court before you married this scoundrel?
Court. I did find her in court. She was up for prostitution charges. You know how I met my wife? She was walking down the street with a mattress strapped to her back.
Walmart?
What?
Mr. Egan's even shocked.
See you in the help.
Can we eat?
I would love my entree
Eat your
with my
salad,
salad.
Uncle Jim.
Good God, good. What's this? What's it? Craig.
I
Craig.
feel so sorry.
Did you get the ranch dressing?
God is great. God is good. God is thanks for his food. I'm in here.
Eat.
Yes.
That's how you do it.
Refrigerator.
I got it.
Mr. Egan,
Yes.
Oh, Martha.
Not interested.
did someone tell him where everything was?
Huh?
I don't think he
He's
knows
not-
his ass from his elbow to tell you
Oh, I think I like you.
the truth. I know.
Knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Shut the hell up, will ya?
Been trying to open up about the wine, just couldn't figure out how to proceed.
Oh, so you come back with nothing?
Can I pour you some wine?
How are you?
Thanks, Jim.
Can I pour you some wine?
would love to have a beer. I would love to have a beer. Yes, I would like to have a beer. Favorite wine.
I got the wine right here.
Well, you know what? Get the beer right here.
Be so.
I know.
So she your friend?
Lily, this is what I
You
want.
invited her anyway.
And when you want what you want, you get it.
Sounding a little bit like a queen bee. There's only room for one of us on this boat.
Well, could you give me a
You need
beer?
to have in a glass too.
I have a glass.
Pour it.
Thank you. He's nasty.
She wanted wine.
Babe, I'm drinking
You
wine.
do this to me all the time. I already brought up beer for us.
Oh, you're
And
all
she's drinking our beers up there?
That's why you're my best friend.
You know what? Girls, I'm here for you. Just because
Is the wine?
I said, shut your mouth. She wants a beer, let her have a beer. I'm drinking wine. You get that screwdriver away from me. You hear me?
Stop it! She might knock my hair back off my head. I have it comb just the way I like it. I spent all morning in this hair.
I'm gonna need a little more. See this extra pour is because of you. That extra pour is because of you.
If you don't shut the hell up,
Are these your
I
friends?
swear to everything holy, Jim.
Are these your friends?
Everything.
I hate you and every woman that looks like you.
There are many that look like me.
You can't make it up to me.
There's not many that look like me, Jim.
You're obnoxious.
All by myself. Don't wanna be, I wanna be all by myself.
sick of all of you treating me like a working class, second class citizen.
Well,
I'm happy to captain the boat again for you all.
And I appreciate you.
Heidi, you missed
I appreciate you appreciating me.
Well,
You people expect so much from me and pay me nothing, and I just don't.
Upset the guests. Don't
I'm
upset
fed up with the guests. I
I
really am kind of fed up with the guests.
I need them here. I don't know what's happening in that house.
Oh, okay. Well, I hope you're all enjoying your ride today,
Don't
as it
mention
might.
anything about
Just drive the boat.
Okay.
Is the motor even on?
I don't even hear the motor. Is it on? Do you know what you're doing, Mr. Egan?
It runs on electricity. you
Well,
He scares
Oh.
well,
Just don't
Lily,
talk like
Lily,
that.
just sit there and look
Pipe
pretty.
down.
Baby.
Just enjoy the ride and the
Sit there and look
weather.
pretty.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
They invited us, Lily.
Later
don't ruin
on.
it. She's a lot, Sherry Winslow. She's a lot. She never used to be like that, but when
Megan, her fashion sense isn't as good
Yes,
as
she
what it should be.
I know shit.
So nice of you guys.
Oh,
Thanks
I
for
wouldn't
having
miss it
us.
for
Do
the
you think
world.
she'd have some margarita?
I wasn't
laying
gonna
around
come
somewhere?
you?
He said
I
Sherry
know.
was invited.
I mean, it's Saturday
think
after
we'll be
all.
fine.
We'll just stay on the
I'll
boat.
keep Lily away from
free
her.
drinks.
I thought you
That's
all
why
were
she's
like-
here.
BFFs.
I mean,
I try
we
to be.
try to be.
We are.
You're just a little jealous of me sometimes. That's all.
Yeah, we are.
Can't this boat go any faster?
Jim,
A
please
little more fashion
Jim,
conscious.
Jim.
You don't want to fall off the boat.
I'm younger.
Oh.
I'm younger.
God. You're
I'm not younger. You know what, Sherry?
I was younger.
Jim,
Lily.
don't go overboard.
Jim, please. I need a snack. Someone give me a snack. Please,
Call
give me
Jim.
a snack.
Call Jim. Get your husband, honey. Get your husband.
Please, so far.
My
Okay,
stupid
he's
wife
all
I'm
right.
on this trip to
Sit
begin with. I
Jim,
could be
sit
home
down.
watching the
Jim,
ball
sit
game
down.
for
You should
crying
go
out
sit
loud.
down. Sit down. You're making everybody nervous.
Nice hat, lady.
Let's do a little toast. A beautiful day. Thank you, Kate, for having us. Let's toast to Jim's hair.
You're the best. Yes, is he ever gonna go to the bar?
That was a good bubble in your glass. Mr.
Kate,
Egan didn't appreciate
Really,
that
behave like a lady, could you?
That's not very
I
attractive.
think Kate's already drunk.
Where's your
at all. Kate
etiquette?
grew up in her glass.
What kind of boat ride is this? We're going around in circles. We've been out here for 30 minutes. I can throw
Who
a
invited
ball
him?
to
He's
shore.
always complaining. Have we been here already?
He's very
About
negative, Debbie
everything.
Downer.
Very.
I don't remember
Downer.
any of these houses.
Lily, we've been here for 2 days. It's fine.
It's actually been ported.
Does anybody still have
Mr.
those
Egan,
snacks?
why are
Jim
you speaking?
could totally fall off.
You don't even have a union card.
Jim.
in my hair now.
Get down off that back,
so
Eve. You're
much
gonna get hurt.
I want to sit next to him.
So much.
We have a $2,000 deductible. Get off the back of the boat. Get off on the water.
Being ridiculous.
You
This
sit
is-
down.
Pour everybody.
Mr. Egan, we're almost
I'll
back
pour
to
your
the
wine. Does anybody want the wine?
I would like to.
You better go backwards. You better go backwards.
Yeah.
You better go backwards.
What?
You better put it
What do you
backwards.
mean?
You gotta call it.
You better go back. Oh my God! We must have run aground because Mr. Egan's so incompetent.
Are you out of your mind, Jim? We're in the middle of a great lake. Run aground my ass.
WTF? Where is Lily? Where is Lily?
Probably fell right off the boat.
I couldn't see because the fog came in.
Look what I found! Lily! Lily, Emma! Wait! I found something else.
Her brain, hopefully.
A note! But I can't read it because I'm not too with it. Lily! Who's there?
Hi there.
Hey, Mr. Egan, I want some lamb chops, please.
Good afternoon.
Lamb chops, please. Good man, Mr. Egan.
Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Mr. Egan, we need bug spray.
We'll all take a little wine.
Wine?
Wine. White wine.
Lamb chops.
I'm hungry.
Please.
Lamb chops, Mr. Egan.
Ridiculous. That's ridiculous. All she does is eat. Eat, 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 eat. Eat, eat, eat. Eat, 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 eat.
Lamb chops, Mr.
Eat,
Egan.
eat, eat.
Okay.
And
One
you,
at a time.
why don't you calm the hell down?
I'm hungry. You didn't give me any
Overserved.
breakfast this morning.
Because you're a son of a bitch.
You're my wife. You know you make me breakfast. Can't get a damn egg out of you.
The moment I wake up.
An egg. One
Say a little
stupid egg. Egan's not. This guy's supposed to be a host.
ever get the bug
What
spray.
happened to the hostess?
I don't understand.
ran away.
Is this guy supposed to be running the project or something?
She may have run out of food.
You gave him too many things to do. I'll never get my lamb chops now.
Did you see the girl who ran out of here?
Take that stupid thing off your
She's out of her mind.
She is out of her mind.
Like you.
And you're out of order. And you're out of order.
Jim?
And you're out
Jim?
of order. The whole world's out of order.
Jim?
Kate needs a little better help.
Shut up.
Give me a beer.
Everything is a problem. Everything is a problem.
That Mr. Egan's not very nice.
Nobody
He
can
drives
depend on
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my
I am
God,
back
Mr.
to
Egan is
fulfill
back.
your request.
Where's the lamb chops, Mr.
Where's the
Egan?
bug spray?
Wait,
Fulfill my request. Did you get me a new husband?
I don't see any lamb
Please want
chops.
bug spray, lady.
Bug spray.
Jesus. Be nicer to your wife, will you?
You try living
Lily,
with
don't
the...
cry.
you need a new
Lily,
brain
don't
is what he
cry.
said
It's
you
okay,
need a new.
Lily.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Don't cry. He frightens all of us.
Don't cry for me, urchin.
Mr. Egan, don't listen to him.
Okay,
That man
okay.
is incorrigible.
We'll never see him again.
And he's
We'll
mean to
never
his
do
wife.
that.
He needs
Oh,
a
well.
lesson in etiquette and
I can't be
Nobody's gonna
responsible
To a
for
place where
rich
we're
I gotta tell you,
behavior.
Jim, I'm over you. I'm over that. I'm over that. I'm over
She
this.
went to get more
Over you.
food. Don't worry.
The package?
Ridiculous.
Are you over the whole package?
Don't
You go
worry.
tell somebody
Damn
you
it.
care.
I want bug spray.
And another
How does
thing.
Kate stay so thin when she eats so much?
Because she gets nervous and burns.
She purges. She's vomiting in the
probably
toilet
vomited.
right now. Are you kidding me?
Kate,
That's
do
why
you
she's
need another
not.
jar for your purge?
Really.
She's very sweet.
She's a pound and puke
She could be
girl.
sweet all she. Where the hell have you been?
Hey, what's going on?
That's right. I don't know where she's been, but I gotta tell you, I'm
a
over
little
her.
nervous, that's all.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I just get a little nervous sometimes.
Where'd my husband go? Where did my husband go?
I saw him walk in as I saw him walk in as I walked out.
Could you put a sentence together?
Excuse me, gypsy woman. I have a
Mr.
letter
Egan, you're
for you,
so
Miss
mean.
Kate.
Thank you, thank you.
Rude is more like it.
You have a letter?
Help, the help, the help, the help, the help.
Is that a
the
menu
help, the
for
help,
more
the help.
food?
What is that? Who is that from? Who wrote that?
Are you
I think
okay,
it's a threat. It says, "We see you argue, complain, and scold. But remember, this house is very old. Soon you will regretfully find the sinister thoughts that lie in your mind." Oh my God, I need that!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Where you going, Sherry?
I'm done with this supernatural. I'm out of here.
Over here. Not a circle. On your knees. Over here. Yeah. Come on, Lily. It's an 8, not a circle. Honey.
Learn your numbers.
It's not a 0. It's an 8.
I don't know if you're in the dream or not.
I am. That's where I started, boo. I am. Martha. Hey. I'm still afraid of these people. Stop struggling, you.
They're all hogging the limelight. Look at them all. Look at them all. Dance for the camera.
This is not good.
You didn't tell us what to do.
Mr. Egan.
What?
on?
Yeah, I had too many Bud Lights.
Knock 3 times.
Where
The
are we?
window.
Goodbye.